later on double team him.
Hodge. Over to Newman. Newsom.
PBA Season 48 Philippine Cup. Finals Best of 7. Game 1 Full Highlights. San Miguel kontra Meralco Bolts. Pero bago ang lahat mga kabig boss, magandang pagbabalik mga kabig boss. Pwede bang paki-like and subscribe at pahit ng notification bell? Maglalaban na uli ang San Miguel at Meralco Bolts mga kabig boss ngayong darating na June 5, at magaganap ang kanilang laban sa Smart Araneta. At kaunting highlights recap muna tayo mga kabig boss sa kanilang laro. Kayo mga kabig boss, saan kayo sa dalawang kupunan na ito? Paki-comment na lang sa baba mga kabig boss kung saan ka sa dalawang team na ito. Maraming salamat.
Diego Dario is going to be faster than everybody else. That's Clip Hodge. Oh, Meralco Bolts also shooting 50% from the field. Head of 20. Dennis standing with Angel. Dennis puts it on play. Troliano lets it fly. Secondary break. Possession here. Baliksi. A lane. Fadeaway jumpers. Mud force.
Jumar to challenge those shots.
Jericho wide open.
Ngayon, it's just another normal game. So ngayon, tignan nga natin.
Okay, Jericho Cruz, step back three. Against Chris. Troliano using that strength. Over to Hodge. Cliff. Now, instead, back to Newsom. Corner three ball on the way.
Yes,
Got him.
Newsom is hurt there.
On, gets away, puts it up and in. CJ. Over to Simon. Three ball on the way. Got him.
Yes.
In a row. Oh. 1-1 against Space. Here comes the double. Over to CJ. Trying to battle. Puts it up. Last. Simon. Three ball on the way.
And the shooters of San Miguel.
Challenge again as he gets into the
Meralco starts double teaming him, and that's a double team right there.
Newsom on the break. Chris still with it. Newsom.
Meralco pushing that ball.
A lane. One dribble in. Two
There you
dribbles
go.
in.
Again, San Miguel staying on that zone. But
And Romeo, maybe he can get going. Over to Troliano.
man-to-man defense here.
A lane. Fadeaway jumper for the base. 13-point game in favor of Meralco. A lane. Over to Raymond. Alman's. Alexi with a height advantage. Turnaround jumper on the way. Stopped by Hodge. Here comes Tito. Turning on the jet. Tito has had an answer. Romeo. All the way to the 12-point game. Troliano across the bar. 10 seconds to shoot. Fajardo against Bates. Shoot bar. Puts it up on the Marshall. Cruz open for three. Between Martins.
And the big question now for Meralco.
Here's Baliksi. Three ball in transit.
Or you hope and pray that they're gonna miss their kickouts of the double team. Quick double team there by Meralco.
CJ back in the game. Pesci. A lane. Still with it. Fadeaway jumper. Jumpers. No good. Here's Jericho.